Yeah. Woo.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
It's actually really stable.
Yeah, that's really, really sick.
Here we go. For 41 miles an hour. All right, guys, motor toys, we're out here. My neighbor just got his new recoil. It's got a Proboat Riverjet 4S motor in there. It's a 2300 kV with a 60 amp 4S ESC, the same one I'm running in my recoil. And I actually gave him the prop right now to use off my recoil. It's an X443 blade, and we have a SMC 6000 mAh 120C graphene in here along with the GPS. So we're gonna see what this does in terms of speed. Alright, we're gonna see what it does for speed.
Okay. Wow.
That's running pretty darn strong.
Man, it looks great.
Let's see what we got for speed. Alright guys, so we just did a 4S, actually a couple of 4S passes here. Let's see what the GPS says. 46. So that's running, I mean, that's where it should. My recoil runs 44. So 2 miles an hour faster, same prop. He's got 150 more kV. That's spot on.